Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Adorcam camera not connecting, Wi-Fi setup and connection troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Check your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Avoid using 5 GHz Wi-Fi during setup and confirm your Wi-Fi is working properly. Fix 2. Restart the camera and router. Unplug the camera and router and wait for about 30 seconds. Now plug them back in and try reconnecting. Fix 3. Reset the Adorcam camera. Turn on the camera and press the power button twice quickly. Now wait for the tone to sound. Make sure the indicator light starts flashing red slowly and set up the camera again in the Adorcam app. Fix 4. Move the camera closer to the router. Place the camera near your Wi-Fi router and remove obstacles that may block the signal. Then retry the connection process. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.